Hello lovelies, welcome to Ella Skincare, where I give you the best DIYs on skincare, cream reviews and natural remedy. If this is the first time on my channel, you are absolutely welcome, and if you're returning, you are warmly welcome. How you doing? Hope you all are doing good, and I hope you are doing great. I know some of you are started with this slogan. Yes. Okay, yeah. Today we want to talk about an affordable lotion, okay, called ESCABELLE lotion. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the ESCABELLE lotion. I'm going to show you how to avoid the side effects, because there are lots of side effects with this lotion. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use it in a nice way for those that are on a budget, for those that don't have much, okay, to buy expensive products at the this is an affordable product that you can buy. But trust me, honey, you must use this with sense, and I'm going to show you how to use this with sense, okay, to avoid those side effects. But before we go straight into the video, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram at ellaskincare_1, and chat me up on WhatsApp if you want to get any skincare products, haircare products. I sell and deliver worldwide. Original products, so yes, I sell and deliver worldwide. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, honey, what are you waiting for? Okay, subscription is free, and subscription means a whole lot to me. Please support your girl by subscribing to this channel. Subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button, and also hit the post notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. Please drop a comment in the comment section, okay? If you want me to do any review of any product, drop a comment in the comment section. Share this video to your family and friends, loved ones. Now I can tell who will need this video. Enough of the talking, let's go into the video, okay? So like I said, I'm going to talk about ESCABELLE Snail Body Lotion. ESCABELLE Snail Body Lotion is a whitening body lotion that whitens the skin. I'm not talking about lighting, I'm talking about whitening body lotion that whitens your skin in 1 week, okay, 1 to 2 weeks, okay? It's a very nice whitening lotion. I'm gonna call it nice because it's affordable, okay? Lotion that is made with snail extract. I know whatever is made with snail extract will help with anti-marks, anti-stretch mark. Anything that is made with snail extract will also help with reaction, okay? It's not supposed to be harsh, it's supposed to be very mild. But on the other hand, this lotion is a whitening lotion, know that, but it's not a reaction lotion, okay? Doesn't help with scars. But I heard 1 or 2 people said it helped with their scars a little bit, but it does not help with scars, okay? Know that ESCABELLE lotion is a whitening lotion. It's a fast action. I call it is in the range of those Osho Prapra whitening lotion, because they make you white very fast, like so fast. In the twinkle of an eye, you are white, okay? You are really white. But the whiteness has a little bit of side effect, and which I'm going to talk about, okay? And also I'm going to tell you how to use it, like I said earlier, how to use it to avoid those side effects. Now, with ESCABELLE lotion, if you want to use ESCABELLE lotion, okay, you're not advised to premix ESCABELLE lotion. Please, you're not advised to do so. Even if you are an expert at premixing lotions, you premix ESCABELLE lotion. At first, it will be very good. It's gonna be very nice, but give the person some time. It starts seeing dark elbows, 2 colors, okay? The person will start having 2 colors. The person starts going a little bit kind of red, not white, okay? There's a difference between red and white. Please understand, okay? There's a difference between red and white. The person will start going red and be having 2 colors. Some places will be brown, some places will be light, some places will be red. That's why I would not, and I would not advise anybody to premix ESCABELLE lotion. If you want to use ESCABELLE lotion, I would advise you use their bar soap or their body wash. Some people prefer their body wash. The body wash is really nice. Their bar soap is very strong. So if you are someone that don't like too much strong products, I would advise don't use the bar soap, use the body wash. Their face cream is very nice, and if you want to use the body lotion, you must use the whitening serum, okay? They have a nice whitening serum. The serum is good. I've used it before, like 2 years ago. I used the serum 2 years ago. I've used it before, so I like the serum, but I'm not in love with the lotion anyway. But there are some people out there that are in love with the lotion. I've seen so many people that are using the lotion and they're getting away with it, and that's why I'm here to share it, so that those that don't have money, because the lotion is very cheap, it's affordable, okay? Those that don't have money, their budget is low to buy expensive lotion, they can go for ESCABELLE lotion. Like I said, you can use your serum and their body lotion together, and you will love it. Now, what are the side effects you get from using ESCABELLE lotion? The side effects you use from getting ESCABELLE lotion is excessive green vein you start seeing green vein. I've seen someone that's using ESCABELLE lotion on her face. Okay, you're not supposed to use a body lotion on your face anyway, but you see green veins. I see someone with green veins on the face, which is something that's very funny, but it's true. You have green veins in your neck, your face, and green veins all over your body. That's the one side effect of ESCABELLE lotion. But this side effect does not happen with everybody. Some people are using ESCABELLE lotion and they don't have this green vein as side effect. On the other hand, some people are having stretch mark as side effects of using ESCABELLE lotion. Those people that are prone to stretch mark get stretch mark from using ESCABELLE lotion. If you are prone to stretch mark, this was the reason I never used ESCABELLE lotion in the past, because I, for one, am very prone to stretch mark. If I use any lightning product, boom, stretch mark. It's funny, okay? I'm prone to stretch mark. It's something like hereditary, yeah, because almost everybody in our house is prone to stretch mark, okay? Whether you're slim or you're fat, you're prone to stretch mark. So that's why I never used ESCABELLE lotion on my skin in the past. But I have customers who are using it anyway, okay, and they're using it in a sensible way, in a reasonable way. Okay. The other side effect that is very common everybody is the bole side effect. I never have seen bole. Some be like, bole. Yes, bole. Bole means when your hands are very dark, your feet is extremely black. However, it's written in the ESCABELLE lotion that there is no hydroquinone in it. Okay, honestly, I was not there when they were producing it. I'm not there with the producer, so I don't know whether I really get hydroquinone or not. It's what I know. That's what I can say. But the side effect sometimes is very terrible. You start to have very terrible dark feet. I mean dark feet. Your hands, your face is fair, your neck is fair, your hand is very black, your leg is nothing to talk about. Okay, the story is just so bad, too bad. And this side effect is very common with some people using ESCABELLE snail body lotion. Okay, it's very common. Why some are using it, you don't have any side effect. If you're using it and you don't have any side effect in this lotion, please drop your comment in the comment section. Kudos to you. You're using this lotion and you don't have any side effect, but I haven't seen any. Anyway, I haven't seen. Okay, now I'm going to talk about how to avoid the side effect. When you want to use ESCABELLE lotion, like I said earlier, number one, you don't promix this lotion. If you promix this lotion, your side effects will be disaster. If you don't promix this lotion, number two, okay, you use this lotion with sense. You don't use this lotion in the morning. Especially people like us that do errands. Okay, in case you don't know, I do errands for my customer. I buy them food stuff, anything they want me to buy, I deliver it to them. I don't get pride anyway. I'm a normal human being. Anything for the extra bucks, baby. I run the sun. Okay, so if you run in the sun, if you're someone that is always in the sun like me, you go out in the sun and you are using ESCABELLE lotion, it's advised to not use this lotion in the morning. Please do not try it. Don't even think about it. Don't even go there. Do not use this in the morning. What you want to use in the morning is to use any nice mild nicely lotion. Most of you are asked to use Dove. Most of you say you don't like Dove as morning lotion. If you don't like Dove, you can use Queen natural lotion. Okay, Queen have 3 range. When it comes to Queen lotion, they have 3 range. I'm going to make a review about that lotion. That reminds me, yes, I haven't been really making video about that lotion. I'm going to make a review about the lotion. Queen have different range. You can use the one that is in the natural range. You can use the natural in the morning and you will love your skin. Some people who are naturally light are using that natural as a normal lightly lotion and their skin is popping. So you can use Queen. Queen is not that expensive, though it's a little bit high than maybe ESCABELLE that you want to buy, but it's very, very nice for you to use as a maintenance lotion and as a morning moisturizer. You can use Queen in the morning and then in the evening you use your ESCABELLE lotion. And one thing again, in the morning when you're going out in the sun, you are not advised to use ESCABELLE soap. The whole product is harsh. Okay, it's a harsh whitening product. You are advised to use a mild product in the morning, and at night you use your ESCABELLE lotion. And even at that, you don't use your products every day. Honey, you don't use your whitening products every day. Give it a break. Use a glowing oil, okay, for some days. Let's say, for example, you are using your whitening lotion 4 days in a week, okay, 4 times in a week, which is 4 days in a week. And the remaining 3 days, please use a glowing oils. If you don't know how to make a nice lightning glowing oil that is not going to make you dark, that is not going to give you some skin complications, because I've seen so many glowing oils here on YouTube that will give you problems. Okay, if you don't know how to make any, check this video out. I made a review about how to make a glowing, nice lightning slash whitening glowing oil. You can use it and it will make you pop. Okay, use a glowing oil 3 times in a week and use your whitening product 4 times in a week and you are good to go. And sometimes after like 2 weeks of using this combination, you can just let your whitening product be and use your glowing oils for 1 week. Straight up 1 week. Use your glowing oils and your natural lightning lotion for 1 week. Just let your whitening lotion, just let it be. Keep it aside, okay? Let it rest afterwards. You go save your money, okay? It don't make you be in a lesser budget, okay? For buying a whitening product, it's gonna be less, okay? What you want to do is just let your whitening lotion stay aside and use your natural lightning lotion, or use any mild moisturizer, okay, for 1 week after 2 weeks of using your whitening lotion, and you'll be good, okay? You're not gonna get any of this anyhow side effect, okay? Although it's hard for some people to do, you're not going to get any of these stupid side effects. And also, don't forget to exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times in a week. Is very important. I mean, I haven't exfoliated my skin in a very long time, for like 2-3 weeks. And yesterday I exfoliated my skin, and woo. If you see me last week and you're seeing me now, honey, now there's a difference with my skin. My last 2 videos I did not use my face because I was looking like yeah. But yeah, day first yesterday I exfoliate my skin and I use my complete set. In case you don't know, I use my own whitening products. I make my own products. Okay, if you need the products, you can shut me up. Okay, I use my own products, and you can see even when you are using an industrial product, when you exfoliate your skin, the difference is clear. I mean, honey, the difference is clear. I'm going to show you how to make an affordable exfoliating body scrub. If you want to know that, just drop your comment in the comment section. I'm going to show you how to make a nice whitening exfoliating body scrub that will make your skin change in 2 days, just 2 days. Okay, so lovelies, that's how to use ESCABELLE lotion to avoid those side effects. It's a very nice lotion. You can use it and you'll be good. Okay, you'll be good for those that don't have money, but I will not advise you to use this for years. You can use it for like maximum 6 months to 1 year, and then you run away from it. Okay, you run away 6 months, you run away from it, and you go into a better nice lotion. Okay, a better good lotion. All right, lovelies, that's the end of the video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button to let me know you love this video, and hit subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Don't also forget to hit the post notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. Till I see you in my next one, I always say remain blessed. Bye bye.